What's up everybody, Matt Maran here for another video from New York. So this is the 2019 Audi RS5 Sportback. So it's the same car as the standard RS5 Coupe, but of course with the Sportback body style, which is now available for the A5 and S5. And so now we have the RS5 version, and it looks really good, especially here in this green color. It's a really nice shade of green with the black accents, very aggressive back end there with those large exhaust tips, and the hatchback versatility that you can get, at least since we don't get an RS4 Avant or something like that in the States. We can at least have some versatility in an RS form here with the RS5 Sportback. So it uses the same 2.9 liter twin turbo V6 engine. It has 444 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque, 8-speed automatic. On the inside here, you can see first off, it has the cool Audi Sport projection on the ground, but also you can see the green stitching there on the quilted seats, which is really cool. Otherwise, it looks like any other, S5 Sportback, really, just carbon fiber trim, standard kind of layout as an A4, or A5, but still very good nonetheless. But anyway, this will be going on sale the second half of this year, and pricing for the Coupe is already 70 grand, so this is surely going to be more than that. But anyway, that is the 2019 Audi RS5 Sportback.